Good evening, children.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, in the last class, we were discussing do these problems which are there in page number 29. So now let us continue the uh, problems which are there in page number 29 of do this. Yeah, see here, ma. List the elements of the following sets. List the elements of the following sets. So G is equal to all the factors of 20. All the factors of 20. So all the factors of 20 means, so here we'll be writing the factors. So that are nothing but factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So all those are nothing but the factors of 20. So this we have discussed in the last class itself. Now the next second Roman in the first question, f is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61, 17 and 61, which are divisible by 7, which are divisible by 7. The meaning of this question is, so here you have to write the multiples of multiples of 4 which are there between 17 and 61, and that multiples also it should be divisible by 7. So if you write the multiples of 4 which are there between 17 and 61 and which are divisible by 7, we have only two elements for this set, which are nothing but 28 and 56. 28 is a multiple of 4, it is divisible of 7. 56 is also a multiple of 4 and also a divisible of 7, so which are lying between 17 and 61. Next, the next question is s is equals to x such that x is a letter in the word madam. So already in the last class we have discussed that repetition of elements is not allowed. Repetition of elements is not allowed. So for that, what we have to do is we have to write the element only once. We have to write the element only once. So if you see this word MADAM, so here M has been repeated 2 times, A has been repeated 2 times, and D is repeated only 1 time. Okay, so here if you write the word in a set, then we can write the same as, so A is repeated 1 time, here D is written only 1 time, and M is also written only 1 time. So the elements in the set can be A, D, M. Okay, next the question is P is equals to X such that X is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. Means we have to write the whole numbers which are there between 3.5 and 6.7. So here the whole numbers which are there between 3.5 and 6.7 are nothing but 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Next, the second question is write the following sets in the roster form. Write the following sets in the roster form. Okay, they have given a sentence like this. So B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. B is a set of all months in a year having 30 days. Means B is a set which consists of the elements of months having only 30 days. So if you write a set for this, the same can be written as B is equal to April. April is a month of 30 days. June is a month of 30 days. September is also a month of 30 days. And November is also a month of 30 days. Next, if you go for the second Roman, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. So here we have to write a set which consists of prime numbers which are smaller than 10. Okay, so if you write the set and if you name the set as P, then the elements in the set P will be 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so these are the elements 2, 3, 5, 7 are the elements in the set P. So whose condition is all prime numbers smaller than 10. Next, X is the set of the colors of the rainbow. X is the set of the colors of the rainbow. Okay, so X is the set of the colors of the rainbow. So means we know the colors in the rainbow. So that all that colors we have to write as a set. So and we have to denote it with the letter X. Okay, so next, if you see the page number 29, you have try this ma. So page number 29, try this. The first question is they are asking you to write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. Next, second question is match roster form. Here they have given a match. So in which you have to match the roster form with the set builder form. So roster form ichadu, set builder form ichadu, you have to match both of them. So this one is homework for you, that is try this page number 29. So you have to match roster form with the set builder form, and you have to write some sets involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. Next ma, say this exercise 2.1. So exercise 2.1, which of the following are sets? Which of the following are sets justify your answer? Which of the following are sets justify your answer? The first question is like this. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So we have to say whether the given sentence is a set or not. If it is a set, then what is the reason behind that? And if it is not a set, then we have to say the reason. So the question is like this: the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, so here there are 3 months. As we know that there are 3 months as January, June and July beginning with letters J. So therefore we can say that it is a well-defined collection of months. It is a well-defined collection of months. Then we can say that it is a set. Why we are saying it as a set? Because it is a well-defined collection of months. Means well-defined. So as we have discussed that, so definition of set is nothing but well-defined collection of objects. Here we have seen that January, June and July are the set which consists of well-defined objects. So it is a set. Next, the second question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here, see this question, ma. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So the concept of talented writers of India is, so it is not a limited topic. So it is a huge topic to decide whether there are only 10 talented writers or not. So we can say that it is not a set. It is not a set. We can have more than 10 talented writers. So for that only we can say this statement is not a well-defined collection of objects. Next, third question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So here a team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world is it is also a unlimited one. So we can't decide the team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. So we can say that it is not a set. So if you go for the fourth question, the collection of all boys in your class. So the collection of all boys. So here collection of all boys in your class. So is this a set or not? It is a set. So they have specified that It is a collection of all boys in your class only, in your class. So in your class means it will become a set. Next, the collection of all even integers. All even integers. Is it a set or not? The collection
Set.
of all even integers. So we know that 2, 4, 6, 8 are the nothing but the even integers. So it is a well-defined collection. It is a well-defined collection. So we can say that it is the set. Okay, so this is the first question with 5 Romans in it. Next, see here, ma'am. If A is equals to, so A is a set with the elements 0, 2, 4, 6. Next, B is a set with the elements 3, 5, 7. Next, C is a set with elements P, Q, R. Then they are asking you to fill the blanks with the appropriate symbol, that is belongs to. This symbol is belongs to, and this one is does not belongs to. So how can we write whether an element belongs to that set or not? So here, if that particular element is there in the set, then we'll write the symbol as belongs to. So if that particular element is not there in the set, then we'll write it as does not belongs to. So here the first Roman is 0 belongs to A. 0 belongs to A. Why we have written so? Because 0 is an element of A. If you see the set A, so 0 is present in that particular set. So we can say that 0 belongs to A. Next, see this second Roman 3. We have to write the symbol either belongs to or does not belongs to C. So if you see that the set C, it has only 3 elements which are nothing but P, Q, R. Then what symbol we have to write over there?
Does not.
Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to, ma. This symbol represent does not belongs to. Does not belongs to, and this one is belongs to. So ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆ సెట్ లో ఉంటే దాన్ని బిలాంగ్స్ టు సింబల్ తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము. సో ఇఫ్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ సెట్, దెన్ విల్ రిప్రజెంట్ ద సేమ్ విత్ డస్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు. ఓకే, సో నౌ యు గో ఫర్ ద థర్డ్ Roman 4-B. So which symbol we have to write over here?
Does not belong to.
Does not belongs to, ma'am. Because that 4 is not there in the set B. Next, 8-A.
Does not belong.
Does not belongs to, because that element is not there in set A. Next, P-C. So P-C, P is an element of set C. Then which symbol we have to write over there? We'll write the symbol as belongs to.
Belongs to.
Next, 7-B. 7-B. So 7, we have to check whether that particular element is there in the set B or not. Yes, we have the element 7 in the set B. So then which symbol we'll write over there? We'll write the symbol as
Belongs to.
belongs to. Okay, next. See the third question, ma. Express the following statement using symbols. So here they have given statements. They are asking you to write it with a symbol form. The element X does not belongs to A. So we can write the same as like this. X does not belongs to A. Next, D is an element. D is an element of the set B. D is an element of the set B. Means which symbol we have to write here? It is an element in that set. Means which symbol we'll write?
Belongs to.
We'll write the symbol as belongs to. Okay, next. I belongs to the set of natural numbers. I belongs to the set of natural numbers. Okay, so here I. So symbolically, we can write belongs to like this. Belongs to I, belongs to N. I belongs to N. Next, 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers P. 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers P. So here, how can we write the same? 8 does not belongs to P. So this is the symbolic representation of that particular statement. Next, see the next fourth question. Yeah, see the fourth question, ma. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So here the first Roman. First Roman is 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. Is it a true statement or false statement? 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. Is it true or false?
False.
False. So it is a false statement because 5 is a prime number. Next, see the second Roman. S is equals to 5, 7, 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. Is this a true statement?
False.
Because because
False.
8 is not present in that particular set, so we should not write the symbol as belongs to. So then which symbol we have to write here?
No, does not belong.
Does not belongs to. Next, ma, minus 5. So don't get confused over here. Minus 5 does not belongs to W. So does not belongs to W. So as we know that whole numbers are represented with W, where W is the set of whole numbers. Minus 5 does not belongs to W and ichadu. Is it true or false?
True, ma'am.
It is a true statement only. ఇక్కడ does not belongs to అని ఇచ్చాడు. -5 అనేది whole numbers లో లేదు అని దాని మీనింగ్. సో -5 does not belongs to W. It's a true statement. Next, 8 by 11. 8 by 11 is what type of number?
Fractional number.
Fractional numbers are also called as
Integers. Yes.
fractional numbers. Do you have
Rational numbers, ma'am.
Rational numbers.
8 by 11 is a fractional number. So fractional numbers are called as rational numbers. See here, 8 by 11 belongs to Z. 8 by 11 belongs to Z. That means 8 by 11, it's a fraction. So fractions are not there in integer set. 8 by 11. So here 8 by 11 belongs to Z. This is the sentence what they have given. So is it a correct sentence?
No, ma'am.
It is not a correct statement because those are fractional numbers. So fractional numbers are not integers. Okay. Next, write the following sets in a roster form. So the next fifth question is write the following sets in roster form. Okay. So they have given you in the set builder form. So they are asking you to write the same as the roster form. The first question is x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So x is a natural number smaller than 6. As we know that the natural numbers will start from 1. So smaller than 6 means up to 5 only we have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is the roster form of this particular set builder form. Next, C is equals to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So do understand this question carefully. So we have to take 2-digit numbers. So we have to take 2-digit numbers, and if you add the digits in that 2-digit number, so you have to get the result as 8. So like that, so 2-digit numbers, if we take, the first one is 17. So here 17 means 1 plus 7. Its sum is equals to 8. Next, 26. 2 plus 6, 8. So it is also a 2-digit number. Next, 35. 3 plus 5, 8. It is also a 2-digit number. Next, 44. 4 plus 4, 8. It is also a 2-digit number. Next, 53, 5 plus 3, 8. It is also a 2-digit number. Next, 62, 6 plus 2, 8. It is also a 2-digit number. Next, 71, 7 plus 1, which is nothing but 8. It is also a 2-digit number. Next, see the next question. D is equals to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Prime numbers which are divisors of 60 only we have to write in that particular set. Okay, so if you write the divisors of 60 and which are prime numbers, then we'll be having only 3 elements which are nothing but 2, 3 and 5. Next, so the next question, E is equals to x such that x is an alphabet in better. Alphabet in better. If you see this word, which letters are repeating here?
T.
T and E is repeating. So we should not write T 2 times and E 2 times. We have to write only one time. So if you write the elements of the sets, then we can write the same as B, E, T, R. Okay, so that is the question number 5 in exercise 2.1. Next. See the 6th question, ma. Write the following sets. Write the following sets in the set builder form. So here they have given you the roster form. Ikkada roster form ichadu. They are asking you to write the set builder form. So here the roster form has been given. So you have to write the set builder form. Okay, the first question is 3, 6, 9 and 12. So if you observe the question carefully, 3, 6, 9, 12 or what, ma?
Multiples of 3, ma'am.
Multiples of 3, ma'am.
3, and here you have to write the condition also, ma. So they are multiples of 3. Well and good. So, and they are less than 13 and they are less than 13. Next, see the second question. 2, 4, ma. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So think a while. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఆన్సర్స్ చూసి చెప్పకండి. సో 2, నెక్స్ట్ 4, నెక్స్ట్ 8, నెక్స్ట్ 16, నెక్స్ట్ 32. Okay.
Multiplying with 2.
The multiples of
Multiplying with 2 means we have to write the exponential form of 2. Exponential form of 2. So here, so 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. Next, 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 4. Next, 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8. 2 to the power of 4, 16. 2 to the power of 5, 32. So here, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Here, the same has been written in the set builder form. C. X such that x is equals to 2 power b, 2 power b. So here, from where we have started the power from 1 and we have ended at 5. So you can write the same condition as 0 less than b, b is less than 6. Means b values should be of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means what type of numbers are those? What type of numbers are
Natural numbers.
natural numbers. Natural numbers, so that we have written the condition that b belongs to n. B belongs to n means b should be natural numbers. Next, see this one, 5, 25, 125, 625. The same here also, ma. So like exponential form of 5. Exponential form of 5. Here 5 power 1, 5. Next 5 power 2, 25. 5 power 3, 125. Next 5 power 4, 625. So here the condition is, so 0 less than b less than 5. So means here the possible values are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So B belongs to natural numbers. B belongs to natural numbers. Why we are taking natural numbers? Only because we have started from 1 and we have ended at 4. So the same condition can be written as 0 less than B less than 5. Next, see the fourth Roman. 1, 4, yes, you can easily recognize this. 1, 4, 9, 6, 25 and so on up to 100. What type of numbers are these?
Squares.
Square numbers, ma'am.
Square numbers, yes. So here square numbers, condition ela rastam idi. So 1 nunchi start ayyayi. So 1 nunchi start ayyayi. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on up to 100. So here you should be 0 less than B less than 11. So here B is taking the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Okay. Next ma. See the seventh question. Write the following sets in a roster form. Same like the fifth question. So akkada set builder form ichadu. They are asking you to write them in the roster form. The first question is x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So the condition here is x అనేది ఒక natural number ఎలా ఉంటదంటే greater than 50 and it should be less than 100. So if you write the elements of that particular set, then you can write the elements as 51, 52, 53 and so on up to 99. So here you have to see the condition also, greater than 50. You should not take 50 here. Okay, but smaller than 100. Smaller than 100, you should exclude 100. 50 and 100 has to be excluded. You have to write the elements what are there between 50 and 100. Next, see the second question. B is equals to x such that x is an integer. X such that x is an integer. X square is equals to 4. X square is equals to 4. Can you tell me what are the possible values of x here? X square is equals to 4 ane condition ki.
2.
So, 2 not only plus 2 ma. So plus 2 ne kaadu minus 2 తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఆ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది కదా. X square. So you are taking square for positive number and square for negative number. So you'll get the result as positive only. So 2 square is 4 as usual. Minus 2 square is also 4. Means here the elements in this particular set is 2 comma minus 2. Next, see the third Roman. So D is equals to x such that, so this type of problems has been repeated so many times. So x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So as here L is repeated 2 times, we'll write only 1 time. O is written, O has to be written one time. In this also we have only 1 time. Next Y, then A. So here we will be having the elements like L, O, Y, A. L, O, Y, A. So